How are we feeling?
I feel good. No brakes.
Okay.
Hit Bike, Goldfish Mafia, Hit Bike Racing. Bring it on. Anybody.
You are now watching a Goldfish Mafia presentation. Hey, thank you. Enjoy.
This is a big moment. Is the pyro gonna work?
Let's go.
Hey!
That's what a black man can bring to the party.
We're here at the Goldfish Farm. This is a highly anticipated race. There's people coming out of the woodwork. Shane Johnson hasn't been here since the very first race. He heard Nick Ramey barking, and he said he's about to go hunting. Josh Smith, same story. Josh has been loud on the Facebook comments, the Instagram DMs, and Turner Moody told me a whole lot more that he said. There's drama tonight. This is Dylan Dodd's first impression of motocross, really. What are your thoughts, man?
This place is wild. It's definitely state-of-the-art facility here. I can't imagine the next thing up is probably going to be bleachers. So anybody that wants to do sponsors for the Goldfish Farms, bleachers are next. So we've already got the big spotlights going. We're going to get some sweet, nice takes of some jumps here soon. And I'm digging it.
The bleachers are coming soon. Quick shout out to the sponsors: Benchmark Home Loans, Southern Tail, Rackley Realty, soon to be probably Walmart.
Rhino Roofing.
Soon to be Rhino Roofing. That's a 360 deal.
It can't be said I'm an early bird. It's 10 o'clock before I say a word. Baby, I can never tell. How do you sleep so well? You keep telling me to live right, to go to bed before the daylight. But then you wake up for the sunrise. You know you don't gotta pretend. Baby, now and then, don't you just wanna wake up dark as a lake, smelling like a bonfire, lost in a haze. If you're drunk on life, babe, I think it's great. But while in this world, I think I'll take my whiskey, my coffee bag in my bed.
Ozzy Jr., how we feeling?
Good.
How'd you feel to be under those fireworks there?
Good.
What was the hardest part about that race?
Nothing.
Oh, that's funny.
I can race, baby.
You've won yet another Goldfish Mafia showdown race at the farm. How are we feeling, Nick Ramey?
People judging me on Facebook, you know, saying this might be my time. I came here just to prove it's wrong, you know. It is absolutely not my time. I'm still on top. I'm the king of this pit bike Goldfish Mafia pit bike racing. Bring it on. Anybody, let's get it. What we got going on right here, Marshall?
It's a battle of the futures right now with Ozzie Barbary Jr. and Robert Hudson Leonard trying to pace each other. Ozzie's got an obvious lead here as he's coming through. Is he going to give us the number one? Is he going to give us something? Oh, yeah.
Swag, I swear you fake card. Now these fellas wanna take my cadence. Rain on them, thunderstorm, rain on them. Medicine, little bro, take some. Fast car, NASCAR, race some. In the club, ain't got no one down, we would back them. Come from overseas, got the racks and they all see notes. You is not a Gito. Looking at you stacking all your money, it all green though. I was counting that and these all 20s, that's a Giro.
You alright, bro? You good, bro?
You alright? You okay? Yeah. Yeah, that sucks. I see it.
Ooh. You good?
I know that hurt.
No, that hurt. You're hauling ass. Dude, you were hauling ass, bro. Holy crap.
Hey!
I love that you're looking up and you're good enough to be like that.
Most kids like
Wait, should we?
Hudson's on the ground. What is going on? What happened? What led to you sitting here?
I got too comfortable going too fast into this corner and just laid her over.
And Zay got it on video?
Yeah.
All right, cue the instant replay right now. Do it in slow-mo.
Show him.
Oh, no, I mean just
Like
for video. Shane.
Oh my gosh, dude, don't get hurt.
how it happens.
Oh,
Dude, what did you hurt?
my foot. I don't know what's going on with it.
Do we need to look at it?
I don't think so.
Kyle, where's Kyle?
Yeah, they're in the concert, dude.
Do you need it? What just happened?
Oh my god! There's a kicker right here. It almost died.
Dude, I wonder if it was in the background. I guarantee it was.
Oh my
Might have been blurry.
gosh.
We got some good shit on here.
Look at this.
Here's a picture. Senior, you want this one?
Nah. This is our chief Goldfish Mafia nurse.
Hello.
Oh, show
You got a knot on there.
There's a knot.
Hey,
You wiggle your toes.
He got his foot caught up in that.
They're off. Who's gonna win? No way! No way! Here we go! Let's go! Let's go! What we live for. What we live for. Nothing wrong now. I love it. Just going down the straight where it's unbelievable. Let's go.
That's Ozzy Jr. out in front.
Let's go. Oh! Getting close right here. Give it to him, Hans! Give it to him!
Party like a rock star. Do it with the back and the white like a cop car. Me and my band, man, on a yacht with Melon.
One lapper. Does he have it? Does he have it? Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ozzy Jr., let's go.
Let's go! Let's go! Oh my God! That's what Josh said. Josh said he could only do 2 laps.
What kind of crap is that?
He said he could only do 2. He said 2 laps. You're saying only 2 laps?
I thought we were doing 1 actually. And then Ozzy kept going. Boy, he's fast on that little thing.
I can't turn it off.
I gotta say, that's a bad little dude. It's a bad little dude.
Ozzy Jr., how we feeling after that W? You just beat Josh Smith and Nick Ramey. They did not give, they were trying their best, but they couldn't beat you. They couldn't touch you. How's that make you feel?
Yeah, so good.
Yes, sir. Anybody you want to thank after this victory?
Yeah. My mom, my dad, AOT, Stock Sauce, Sperm Lords, Goldfish Mafia, Mullen, and that's it.
Let's go. Good job, buddy.
I need you to say that again.
My forearms are cooked, or what? 1 lap?
Yeah, that's all I'm good for. is
One lap?
One lap.
One
either.
lap. What about 2? Because anything can happen in 1 lap.
Yeah, but if I go 1 lap, I really give it my all. If I go 2 laps, I gotta manage.
Why don't we just do a lap time thing? That'd be cool.
Nah, because then there's no potential for some bar banging. I'm down for 1 lap. If 1 lap's all we're committing to, let's do 1 lap.
I get 2 laps. One front brake is so shit.
Why do 1 lap when you can do 3?
That's good.
Dude, I've had to
I ain't touching my back brake anymore. I kind of forget I have them.
That is good.
We'll do.
My foot's on the back brake.
I need to use it. I could do so much. So you're just doubling into this inside here? I like it. What were you doing right here?
Right there, I was going inside, or sometimes inside, outside.
Yeah, dude, you're holding them up right here in this line right here. You're holding them up pretty good in this line right here.
Yeah, that's my favorite one. Hi, baby,
Just checking out the lines.
I didn't really like that.
This soft stuff right here.
No, I didn't. I was breathing smoke on accident.
That's crazy.